just a quick video on how to make a Echinacea tincture. You're going to use the whole plant. It's freshly cut today. I've saved the root because I'm going to. Normally, I'd wait. You can use the root as well, but normally I'd wait till the flower is dead and the seed pods have really wilted before I'd use the root, because all the energy goes back into the root. But I'm going to replant those. But you use basically every bit of the plant. It's a pretty simple process. You need 40% alcohol. In this case, I'm just using cheap vodka to do it. Cut your flowers up like so. Remove any manky leaves, and then put it into a glass container. Pack it right in there, and then pour in your vodka. You want to get it all submerged in there. Right, good stuff. Now we just put the top on and leave it in a dark place for 6 to 8 weeks. Right, that's it. Leave it at 6 to 8 weeks. Strain it off, rinse it, or not rinse it, but filter it through some cheesecloth, squeezing every bit out, and then in a dark glass dripper bottle, and like 1 to 2 drops in a small glass of water per day, and it's your health booster, your immunity booster. Simple.